For me, studying at AHO is quite different than where I have been studying before, which has been business schools. And the reason for that is the amount of practical work, the physical workshops where there's a lot of things going on, stimulating creativity and putting students into an environment where you actually can kind of be free to explore and do. As a student, we have these seminars approximately every 6 weeks, where we meet at university or digital.
Those days are extremely intensive. We work from 9 in the morning till 7 in the evening and then go out for a meal afterwards. So there's a lot of input, a lot of discussion. The teachers keep saying we only have to ask questions, and then everybody sits together and discusses those questions from their own professional perspective. There's a lot of collaboration. And then all of a sudden we do something else, like last week we went for a cycle ride. Which was also a systemic cycle ride, so that was a very different way of working, to kind of go out locally into a community and to try to look for what are the active systems in a particular place by stopping, asking people, asking questions, talking to each other, looking at what is there and why it is there and so on. So that was also interesting.
And you need to read between the sessions to get maximum out of it. You don't have to, but then that's your loss. The trick is actually merging this with what you do, and so making reading a natural part of your work. Combining work and studies and the private life is a challenge, but it's just I needed to take things off my table, so I had just to reprioritize and make space for the course. My advice to students who are seeking to apply is concentrate on the motivation letter. It's a one-pager. Spend time to write that down. I used 2 weeks to write that letter, and I had it reviewed by multiple people. And that serves me now because I can check that I am touching on the topics that I wanted to achieve, and I can ask my lecturers questions based on that. So I get value out of it. So focus on your motivation letter.